What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some more examples regarding square roots and dividing square roots. This one is practice number 6 and I'll start with this example. 5 plus square root of 125 divided by 15. So answer will be 5 plus 125 is 25 times 5, which will be 5 plus 5 root 5 divided by 15. And then we can simplify, divide everything by 5. It's going to be 1 plus root 5 divided by 3. Next example is 6 minus root 45 divided by 12. The answer is 6 minus 45 is root 9 times root 5 divided by 12, which I have 6 minus 3 root 5 divided by 12. And we can divide everything by 3. So it's going to be 2 minus root 5 divided by 4. Next example is root 96 divided by root 150. Answer is 96 is 16 times 6. So root 16 times root 6. 150 is 25 times 6. So root 25 times root 6. These two cancel out. Root 16 is 4. Root 25 is 5. So the answer is 4 over 5. Next example is root 28 divided by root 63. Answer is 28 is 7 times 4 and 63 is 7 times 9. So root 7 times root 4 divided by root 7 times root 9. These two cancel out. This will be just root 4 divided by root 9. Root 4 is 2, root 9 is 3, so the final answer is 2 over 3. Next example, we have root 26 y to the power of 7 divided by root 2y. That makes it, the answer is 26 divided by 2 is root 13. Y to the power of 7 divided by y is going to be y to the power of 6, and the square root of y to the power of 6 is y to the power of 3. And next example, square root of 15x cubed divided by root 3x. Answer is 15 divided by 3 is root 5. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Square root of x squared is going to be just x. So we have x times root 5, or root 5 times x. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.